Time to put some gold for the little NX. Damn, this hurts my fingers. As this build is meant to be fairly extreme, I decided to go with the gold Rally Raid tubeless rim as well. You can't deny they look absolutely incredible. Tubeless is something not even seen on some of the higher end bikes, so it's nice to introduce that to the little NX. To go with the extreme rim choice, the bike needs some badass rubber to go with the extreme theme. So I decided to buy the Motoz Desert very aggressive knobbies to give the NX the best possible traction on the sandy Finnish trails. Being tubeless, the tires are so much quicker to mount, not having to deal with the inner tubes. Ooh, that's tight. Whew. As the stock NX brake discs are quite different from the previous model, CB500X, and the rims have originally been made for that previous model, we need to also mount some brand new brake discs to the front rim. All of this is provided by Rally Raid with the NX kit you can order on their website. This set of rims and tires is definitely the biggest visual change to the NX project so far, and I'm finally happy to get some aggressive knobbies on the bike. This is my first set of Motoz tires, so it's fun to see what they're made of. Because the rear rubber has quite a different size, the bike got even taller than it was previously with the Rally Raid Level 2 suspension alone. But the bike is still very easily managed, as it's by all means not a top-heavy machine. I'm 174 centimeters tall, and the bike is exactly the height I like my bikes to be. So no worries there for my part. But if you are a shorter rider, maybe go with the tires that are about the same profile as the stock ones are. I hope you are enjoying the project so far. The episodes are about halfway through, so subscribe to see the full build later. And check out the episodes I already have on the channel.